I'm feeling okay. I'm just trying to catch up from missing so much time without having any
Internet.
internet.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sweetie.
So,
Come here.
well, have you been able to look, Marissa? Teacher sent an email if our final project has been accepted or not.
Let me check.
She said it's well, you check in the grades of the one who submitted it. So
Let me give me just a second. I'm scrolling through.
Passport, I mean, home. It's the passport. It's a passport. And with that joy.
Yeah, baby.
Yes, and with that joy.
sounds like an empty house. Still moving boxes in and stuff.
No, we're actually up at our clubhouse,
Oh, okay.
using the internet up there. We haven't been able to get our internet into the house yet.
Got
The rain was the red the rain was. And there's the sun and the cloud. And I know the cloud on that.
Oh, you're already broadcasting. Okay. I wasn't sure. Make sure we do that.
All right, let me.
Well, you can do it later, or you can.
It didn't get accepted, but
You didn't?
yeah, I'll have to look at what's going on with it because I literally updated it exactly how she told me to.
Uh-huh.
And so I don't know if maybe because I uploaded two different files.
He didn't send me any email. Oh, okay.
Well, it's showing a 0 then.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we need to find out what is wrong and resubmit it.
Red.
Do you see the feedback in red?
No, it literally has no feedback on it.
Well, then maybe she hasn't gotten. Yeah, she said her feedback would be red.
Yeah, it's got no feedback on it.
Then maybe did yours not showing anything, is it, Koo? I mean, she said it would be the one that submitted it, and that would have been you.
Well, let me see.
But just in case. I looked
Yeah.
up and it's not there.
So do you see it in assignment or grades?
Yeah, I see it, but it doesn't have any feedback.
Right. So
There's
I'm just
zero
asking where do you find it so I can check too.
in the grades, but you guys aren't going to be able to see it because you guys didn't submit it.
Right.
Oh.
Yeah, only Marissa should have
Yeah.
it.
I see a 0 too.
So, yeah, we do mind just emailing the teacher or getting with her somehow and find out why.
Yeah, absolutely.
Appreciate that. All right, you guys ready to do the inference for 2 proportions?
Can I ask you guys a question?
That's lesson 18, one we're on.
I have a question.
Oh, you do have a question?
Yeah. What are you guys' grade? I'm
what-
surprised how low my grade is right now.
I know, mine isn't that
I
high.
only have like 82%, even though I think we got like everything. I got like all A for the semester.
Mine is 79.41.
Yeah, why are we so low?
I
What
don't
the heck?
know.
Oh, maybe we just haven't done everything yet.
Yeah, it's still taking a percentage of everything, not just the assignments done so far. Maybe that's why.
Oh,
Got them all figured in.
Hmm.
Alrighty.
okay.
Oh, come on. Let's go back to content. So this quiz. You guys have any questions on the preparation? The formulas sure are getting a little more complicated with the with all the added population stuff comparison. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward, I think. Are you ready?
Shall we
Liz?
get on it?
Yeah, baby.
Okay, the applet.
Mm-hmm.
Review the PTC tasting study with different data. Out of 70 females in the sample, 52 can taste PTC. Out of 59 samples, 42 can taste PTC. Presented here. Oh, I think this was in the book. Okay. So P hat 1, we're on question 3, right?
Yep.
Is X divided by N. So females, P1 is female. So it's 18. Oh. Who can taste? So it's 50. It's 52 divided by 70, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because the question is the null is
Yeah.
portion of females can taste PTC is the same as the males who can taste PTC, but so alternative is that they're different. They don't equal.
Mm-hmm.
So
P just equal X over N. So just observed.
so I get 0.743, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the P hat in 2, P hat 2 is 42 divided by 59. 712.
Yeah. I have a feeling we have more and more questions every time.
I know. Oh, she got lots of questions now? Oh, 20 questions, yeah. Which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question?
Well, it should be the first one, right?
I'm not sure if it's the first one or the last one.
It's the first one because we are testing the two proportion.
Eden.
No, but it's the portion of the population that does taste. PTC. Let me pull up she has, I think, it in the,
According to the notes I took, it's the first one. P1 equals P2 or P1 doesn't equal P2.
okay.
I think the P without the hat is the true
Yeah,
proportion.
the P with no hat. It's just the regular P's. Sorry, I was trying to get through my notes to find it.
And what is a P with the hat? What does it mean? I forgot.
That was from last week. It's the
I think
the sample population something.
See, the sample, yeah, it's the sample proportion is the hat. The P
P-
without the hat is the population proportion.
Yeah.
Okay. Number of successes and taken from population one. Okay. So yeah, I think you're right. It is the first one.
put your hands up.
Okay, create a 95% confidence interval. Oh boy. Point estimate. That's the big equation now, the Z. Okay. P1 minus P hat 1 minus P hat 2, which is 0.743 minus 0.712 minus doesn't I say it's expected to be 0? P minus P1 minus P2?
Yeah.
So, okay. That's P hat 1, P hat total. Oh, P hat total is 94 divided by 129. 0.7, 2, 8, 6.
So what is P hat total?
What?
What do you get for P hat total?
P hat total?
Is
0.78
it 1 point?
or 29 if you round up. Okay. That times 1 over 1 plus 4 is 70 and 59. So 0.743 minus 0.743 divided by 70.1 plus 1 divided by 59. 0.01649. One. Whoa. What was that? times 72.08522 equals 0.031 divided by 0.082.376. Okay. %. Oh, we are doing the total wrong equation. I was finding the z-score, not the point estimator.
Oh, the point estimate is just 0.729, right?
The point estimator, isn't that like the really long equations with like the square roots of like the p-hat times 1
The
minus?
point estimate is just p. So p is a point estimate, so it's just x over n.
What, are you sure?
Right? I swear it's that really long equation.
Yeah, that's to find the margin of error.
My notes say it's for the,
Point estimate?
Yeah, the point estimate is the z-score, really, right?
No, the
It's
z
like,
is a
yeah,
test statistic.
p-hat 1 minus p-hat 2 minus the z-score times the square root of p-hat 1 times 1 minus p-hat 1 over n1 plus p-hat 2 minus 1 minus.
I forgot the square root.
Yeah, it's like that really long.
Dang it, yeah. I forgot to square root that one. Okay, so my answer is wrong. All right. .016949 plus 0.1 times 0.72862. So square root of that, there it is, 0.291. 0.031 divided by 0.291. Oops. 0.291. 106. Okay, I get if I round up to 3 decimal places is 0.106. Is that what you guys get?
I'm almost done.
Working on it? Yeah, no.
What'd you get, Jan?
Well, I get 0.106.
I got 0.221.
Okay.
Let me recheck.
What's your numerator? 0.743, right? Minus 0.712.
Minus 0.712.
That is 0.031, right?
Yeah, and then we add to that 1.96 for the z-score for the 95%.
Hey Jan, what did you get?
No. Don't add yet. You don't add anything.
Oh, that's where I went wrong. It's the z-score times the.
Right. You only do that when you're doing the margin of error. So
Both times. Oh. Come on.
Hey Jan, what did you get?
0.106. If you round up to 3 decimal places. Okay, The numerator is 0.031, right? Everybody gets that?
Minus 0.712 equals, add
743 minus 0.712,
what'd you say you got, Jan?
0.106.
I'm still getting something different. Now I got 0.199.
Okay, all right. So do you have
But we're getting close.
let's just start from this. 0.031 is the numerator, right? Because it's p hat 1 minus p hat 2, but this is what I was confused in the homework. But they said,
You have to do the numerator for inside of the square root. Is that what you're talking about?
no, not inside the square root yet. We're just doing the numerator.
It's on top.
The top. It's p hat 1 minus p hat 2 minus p1 minus p2. But
Mhm.
p1 minus p2, I think, is 0.
I think we're doing two different equations.
Well, you're doing the z-score, the p hat 1 minus p hat 2. That you subtract first, and then it has minus p1 minus p2.
Okay.
In the homework, I think p1 and p2 is usually 0 because you're finding the population that can taste not the whole population. Am I wrong? I'm trying, let me look at my, gotta get out of that one. I'm trying to look at her. It's the equation for the z-score.
Yeah, because on the null hypothesis, we assume that P1 equals P2.
Right. Well, P1 is always equal P2, so they're 0. And then the square
So
root.
0.031.
So we've got, P1, never mind. I think that's where I messed up. I think I messed up. It's P times, okay.
So you guys, I think the equations we're using are different. The confidence interval equation is massively huge. And it's got like a portion outside of the square root, but the inside of the square root is definitely not what.
Hey, Marisa, what is the inside of the square root under the formula that you're using?
P hat 1 times 1 minus p hat 1 divided by n1 plus p hat 2 times 1 minus p hat 2 over n2. And that's what's inside of the square root.
Okay.
And then outside of it, you've got P1 minus P2, and then the upper and the lower bounds are different. The lower one is minus the z-score times the square root. The upper bound is the z-score, or plus the z-score times the square root. I can write it down and.
No, it's not.
Yeah, I didn't do the total. I didn't do that right.
So Marisa, you were talking about this, right?
Well, let me click back over to you guys. I was looking at my.
0.72. Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
8682 times 1 minus. So I need 1 minus 0.728682 times 0.728682. Yeah, that's where I screwed up. So it's 0.1977 times, what did I get? 0.116949. And square root.
So Jan, do you see this?
What?
So the point estimate is, oh shoot.
Wait. Oh,
I did something wrong here. Okay, this formula.
Yeah, that equation is the point estimate for the confidence intervals.
Estimate is P1 minus P2. So that's just 0.031. And then the margin of error is that big Z times square root of all that.
no, it's plus or minus.
Yeah, so that's where it's plus the z-score times all of that, or minus the z-score times the square root.
Yes. So it's asking for point estimate and margin of error before the lower bound and upper bound.
0, 1, 0, 3, 1 divided by 0.203. What did you get, Marissa?
I got 0.199 for the upper bound. You can go ask him if you can play with him, baby. Go ask him. What'd you guys get for the margin of error?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm still confused on.
Whoa, that's big. This is big, Mommy. This is big. Mommy, this is big.
Is it too big to fit? Oh, I'm sorry, sweetie.
Wait, so
You get 0.154. Is that what you get, Marissa?
For
Oh, the
the
margin
margin
of
of error? No, I got 0.218. It's just the stuff under the square root times the z-score, right?
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Let me try it again.
Screen keeps going out.
So the Z is 1.96. Okay, right?
1.96, yeah. 0.743. Divide that by, what'd you guys say N1 was?
N1. N1 was 70.
Yeah. 70? Sorry, I was trying not to have to scroll up.
N2 is 59.
430 times 1 minus 0.743. Divide that by 70. Yeah, sweetie? Oh, 5.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got it right.
That's what I want to. Holiday. That's what I want to.
What are you, 0.5154?
Yeah. Did you get that?
No, I still keep something else, but. Divided by n. Shoot. 70.
I know what it is that I'm doing wrong. I know exactly what I'm doing wrong. 430.
Is two.
This is too big to fit in. Yeah, Mommy.
6 by n 59.
Stockton.
By
What was N2?
What? N2? N2 is 59.
Yeah. 59. Okay. So I don't have the path to go back real quick.
divided by 7.
Cool.
0, 0,
In the house.
755 per root.
0.154. That's what you
Yeah.
got, Koo?
Yeah,
Okay. Sorry, I was doing,
that's okay.
had one of those brain fart moments where I was doing the square root of each of the, like each of the pieces that's inside the square root instead of doing the square root of the addition of both of them. Does that make sense?
Yeah. It's a big equation.
It is that's why I was like, oh, I'll just do this piece by piece, but okay.
Okay, how do we find P then?
What was that?
How do we find P then?
Is that one of the questions?
Wait, 1, 2,
Well,
2.
it's asked if we reject the null or not. So we need P to do that.
I get 0.1. What's your margin of error?
0.154.
Oh. What did you get for the number 6? Point estimate?
0.031.
0.031. No, that's the P1 minus P2.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and then it asked for the upper and lower bounds, or 8 and 9, and that's all of it together.
Okay. So the lower bound is 0.03 minus 0.154.
Yeah, negative 0.123.
Yeah.
Okay.
Plus 0.154. Okay, I still got something different for, well, no. Oh, the point. Okay, I was just totally different with the point estimate. Okay. That's what we need. So this z-score is what I had, 0.204. I think is
For
what
the
it-
Z-score?
That's what I was doing earlier as the point estimator instead of. I gotta figure it out for sure.
We might be doing something wrong here. Because it's asked to reject the null or not. And so to do that, we need to find P. And to find P, we need to find Z to plug in the normal applet.
The z-score is the 1.96, because we're doing a 90% confidence interval.
Yeah, but
No, not that z-score. It's a different. The other z
Oh, okay.
calculation.
okay. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Because it'll be too.
That's the confidence interval z-score, but it's not the.
Yeah. Holy crap.
P. So you gotta get the total P.
Yeah, the total P is just x1 plus x2 over n1 plus n2. So total P would be 52 plus 42 over 29.728.
Seven. 77668 or whatever. So the 1 minus 77698 times 0.77. Why is that the same?
I get 0.394.
The total P is 0.728.
Yeah.
287, right?
Yeah.
787. 1 minus 0.7. Why don't they give us a spreadsheet for these calculators? Instead
That
of
would be
making
nice, wouldn't it?
all of it out. That's crazy. Yeah, I get 204. That what?
I get 0.394.
0.394?
Yeah.
1 divided by
Maybe it's because I didn't round.
1 divided by 70. That's the population, right? 1 divided by n plus 1 divided by n2. I get 0.01428 plus 1 divided by 59.016949 plus 0.014285 0.03. Oh, 1, 2, 3. And then P is 0.7, so 1 minus 0.77 times 776698 times 0.03123 and the square root of that. 0.73596. 0.031 divided by 0.073596. Oh man, are you serious?
What?
I get 0.421.
Okay, so 1 over 70 plus 1 over 59 is 0.0312,
Right? Yes, that's what I got.
right? And you take
P,
you take 0.729 times 1 minus 0.729.
oh, okay, sorry. 0.729. I was using 0.776, okay. 0.729, 1 minus 0.729 times 0.72 equals 1.9. So you multiply that by 0.03123. Okay.
And
0.0,
then square root of that.
right? 0.0785.
Yeah. And then take 0.031,
Right.
divide that.
31 divided by 0.0785. 0.395. Right. Yeah. So I get 0.395. You put that in. 0.395. No, not 395. 0.395.
Oh. Fail to reject the no.
Well, we're doing both. It's not equal, so
Yeah, so it's both sides.
0.69 is the probability. The p-score. So the p-score is 0.69. So which is way above 0.05. So we reject.
Fail to
No,
reject. Fail to reject.
fail to reject, right?
Yeah.
What is it?
I need friends.
Fail to.
Mommy, I need my friends.
Okay, baby, I can't make your friends be here.
I need my friends.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Oh,
Check.
yes.
So we fail to reject then also. The first,
Yeah.
sorry. Which of the following state
So
investors?
yeah, I think it's putting there to trick us. But, what is that? Yeah.
It's great.
It's the last one. There's insufficient evidence.
I think so too.
Okay. You make a calculation.
Halfway there.
Oh my gosh.
I go spinning.
Okay, we have weekend group and week group. P1 not committed on the weekday. Oh, yeah, the retest. We got to make sure it's all over 10, which looks like it would be, but P1 and N1.
We really need an Excel sheet for this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're doing the amount of people who died.
Yeah.
713 divided by 118,509. So P1, P hat 1 is 0.141, right? Did you get that?
What?
For P hat 1, the weekday group is 0.141.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then 0.145.
0.145, right? Okay. So for 1, well, 10, and 4, 2, 4, 7, 9. Yeah. And the one is always even more higher. So
not all the time.
usually, you mean the 1 minus P?
Yeah, it's not all the time.
Well, it's going to be the times. Anyway, yeah, maybe not all the time, but most of the time.
Because on the last homework, I was assuming that and I got it wrong.
Oh, really? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So number 12 is true. Which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research?
Because if it's not true, we can just skip all the other questions, right?
Okay. So it's less than.
Less than.
So it's the last one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. 14. Use the data in the table to find P1.
0.141.
Yeah. 0.141.
You score. Sweet.
145 is 15. Find the Z-score.
Don't you love it? It's the best thing ever.
Oh, it's like nice to be clear. .15. Negative 0.004 divided by which is
That looks like what usually happens.
Hey, Jordan. So I got
That is Ninja Turtles. You're so bright, sweetie. Mommy will read it in just a second. You keep looking at it while Mommy finishes this, okay? I love you too. Careful.
Ready, Mommy?
Okay, it starts right there. It starts right there.
I got negative
All the
2 point 2.019. I guess 2.02.
0.142 is P times. Did you get 0.142 for P total?
0.142?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
What'd you guys get?
I'm not there yet, but yeah, almost there.
We're still looking for the z-score. Well, I got 2.01.
Okay.
It's okay. I got this.
I know.
Okay, no more making it jump over my plug though.
So,
How can you add those two very small numbers?
come down. I got it.
How do you add them together?
Add what?
0.00. Oh, is N the number of people who died or the total?
N is the total.
Total. Right, so you end up with a very, very small number. Basically a 0.
But no. What are you talking about? Adding?
For the z-score.
Yeah, but when you square root of that, all of that, it will be actually not that small.
But if you add 0, adding 0 plus 0,
Mommy, that's too big.
Okay, baby.
So you take, okay, you find P equal 1.42, right? No, 0.142, right?
right?
Okay.
So
So
if
for the bottom part,
if you times that 1 minus P, you get 0.118.
okay.
But, and then you're supposed to multiply 1 over N1 plus 1 over N2, which both of them basically are 0. Right?
No, they're not 0.
It's 0.00 something.
If you just add them in, it will not be 0, I can guarantee you.
Well, I get 0.00008
For the what?
or 1 over N1.
Yeah, if you just put it in all in the equation, it'll
Okay.
be fine.
Okay. So you don't round up at all.
Actually, I put them all as one equation in my calculator.
Yeah. 1 divided by 42447 plus 0.0000. Right, 00197. 0.004 divided by 0.00197. So you get 2.03?
Yeah, that's pretty close, yeah.
What?
Negative. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's pretty close to what I got.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Crazy.
It's not bad. After, it's just really easy from now.
I just need to get a spreadsheet with those equations in it.
So
Oh,
to the left.
left. You shade the left. Wait.
What did you guys end up with getting for the z-score?
Negative 2.02 or 03. It doesn't matter.
Negative 2.03 is what I got.
It's gotta have 3 decimals, guys.
Yeah,
It'll
that's
take it.
that's after rounding up.
That's after, yeah, that's, there's,
It'll take it back on the quiz if it doesn't have 3 decimals.
no, I've done it where I only put in 1 and it still gives me a correct answer.
Anytime
If
I've
it's
put
just-
less than what it says, I get a 0 on that answer.
Well, there's no number. It can't round up to. Okay, it's less than, so it's the left side, right?
Yeah.
What is the p-value? 2.03. Come on. Point 0.0212.
Yeah. Wait, actually, hold on. 0.022. Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah.
0.021.
I got everything right after I submitted it.
0.02. We are less than, so we reject the null.
Uh-huh.
There is sufficient evidence. Permitted die is less than the patients who died on the weekend. The third one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, third one. Okay. Are we ready to submit it?
I submitted it. You should get everything right.
Really? Oh,
Yeah.
good.
Except I got one question wrong because I forgot to put the negative in.
Oh, for the z-score?
For the lower bound on the earlier question.
No, it kicked it back. I got the z-score wrong.
What do you get the z-score?
Oh, I did. I did too. The negative
Yeah,
2.3 is wrong.
I didn't get it wrong.
What did you put in there?
Negative 2.02.
Oh, 2.02. Oh, gee. Is number 16. Everything else is right. Okay.
You get anything else wrong? You sure?
Nope, that's the only one. Everything else was right.
Okay.
I'm gonna make myself a spreadsheet with those dumb calculations that are gonna take forever.
Does it actually matter? Because I think the only thing we did differently is that I didn't round anything. But it's only like one number.
I know. I'm surprised it gave us a bad score for just one being off by 1/10 of 1/100th of it.
Maybe it only 1,000 there. It doesn't matter.
Right. Everything else is right. Okay. I don't know. Maybe I'll just leave it. Okay, so we'll just, what, did you submit yours, Marissa? Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, you got the same wrong as me. Okay. Well, just let us know about the final.
I will. I emailed her, but I obviously haven't gotten anything back since I emailed her at the beginning of the
Right.
meeting here, the group meeting. So I'll let you guys know as soon as I hear something.
I think we have to, or collect the data. I'm sorry.
Do on the 19th.
From what I gathered before I lost audio was we have to do all the gas stations in our city, right?
So what we're doing is we have to make a list of every major city in each of our prospective states. And then we have to somehow use like a random,
Oh,
there's like random programs where you can put in numbers and it'll kick back, like you can put in a range and it'll kick back 2 numbers.
uh-huh.
So then the 2 numbers that it kicks back, those are the 2, whatever cities correspond with those 2 numbers, those are the 2 cities you're gonna use. And then you're gonna go into gasbuddy.com and put down every gas station within those 2 cities.
Okay.
Did you say
that make sense?
gascity.com?
Gas Buddy,
Oh, Gas
BUDDY.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can just, it pops up, you type in the name of the city and it'll give you all the gas stations with with their prices.
Okay.
And so we just need to, yeah, all that data. Okay. Sounds good. So I'll start working on that.
Right.
Once we find out why we need to resubmit whatever. All right,
Yeah.
thanks, guys. Yeah.
Thanks, guys. It's
Okay.
not too bad.
All
isn't
right.
it?
You guys Thursday.
What?
See you guys Thursday.
Oh,
Oh,
okay. Yep. See you Thursday, same time. Okay. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.